Introducing the Milescraft Drill Block. No more guessing if your drill is at a true 90-degree angle to your work surface. This handy guide system allows you to drill a straight hole every time. The drill block has an ergonomic design that is comfortable in any application. The unit also features non-slip TPE pads on both sides to prevent slipping and marring on the work surface. There are center lines on all four sides of the drill block that are lined up with each hole location to help you make sure you are positioned exactly centered on your mark. Using these as a guide, you will drill a perfect hole every time. The base of the drill block is made of a reinforced nylon and will not heat up in your hand while drilling through metal. The drill block has a solid base that allows it to be clamped for stability. The V-block channel on the underside provides versatility on many different drilling surfaces, from round to corner profiles. On the top of the bushing block, there are 6 holes for common drill bit sizes: 1/8, 3/16, 1/4 inch, 5/16, 3/8, and 1/2 inch. Each bushing is held to a tight tolerance and allows you to drill at a 90-degree angle to any surface.
Get an ultra-compact cutting solution for plywood, drywall, and more. With the 12-volt max CXT lithium-ion cordless 3 3/8 inch circular saw kit, the slide-style lithium-ion battery, and a more compact size gives you more comfort and more capacity. The efficient Makita-built motor is engineered for faster cutting. The 3 3/8 inch blade has a maximum cutting depth of 1 inch, with a tilting base for accurate bevel cuts. The compact size and ergonomically designed handle with rubberized soft grip means superior comfort, job after job. It's ideal for quicker cutting and for jobs that take you into tight spaces. For added convenience, the slide-style battery includes an onboard LED charge level indicator. Makita 12-volt max CXT tools are equipped with a battery protection circuit, communication technology between the tool and battery that protects against overload, over-discharge, and overheating.
European-style hinges are a great way to go when you're mounting cabinet doors. They're concealed for a sleek, clean look, and they offer easy adjustment for perfect door alignment. With Rockler's exclusive line of jigget solutions, they're easy to install too, and the only power tool you need is a handheld drill. On the doors, the Jigget Deluxe hinge drilling system lets you quickly bore precise, perfectly aligned holes for the hinge cups. The jig configures to match your hinge specifications, and the clamp bases slip easily on the edge of your door, elevating the door enough to accommodate Bench Cookie Plus work grippers for no-slip stability. Positioning is as simple as lining up the center marks on the jig with your center lines on the door and tightening down. The spring-loaded drilling guide comes with a stop collar that lets you set the exact drilling depth. The drill guide fits snugly onto the steel template on the clamp base. Then you simply drill, and you end up with precisely positioned, perfectly vertical hinge cup holes of just the right depth. Here's another great thing about the Jigget Deluxe system. If you're mounting hinges in multiple doors of the same size, you only have to set it up once.
Wood hand screw clamps might seem old-fashioned, but they've got uses that no other clamp provides. To begin with, each clamp can provide even pressure along several inches. And this is true even when the jaws aren't parallel. The individually operated hand screws allow the jaws to work over a wide range of angles. And the wooden jaws resist slipping and are less likely to leave marks on your parts. Wood jaws also make it very easy to adapt and modify the clamps for whatever task you have at hand. Available with jaws from 6 to 12 inches long, Bessie's wood hand screw clamps also excel at holding parts during milling operations. Too small to safely hold by hand, can be held securely in the wooden jaws, providing complete control while keeping hands out of the work zone. With little risk of damage to expensive blades, bits, and tools, should they accidentally come into contact with the clamp. Woodworkers understand why these clamps have been around for so long, and appreciate their versatility using them all around the shop.
A saw that's ideal for ripping and cross-cutting sheet materials and engineered to provide you precise, splinter-free cuts. The SP6000J is built with superior features designed to deliver best-in-class accuracy, versatility, and performance. The saw features a precision cutting system, which includes dual bevel supports to keep the saw squared to the material, and is engineered to keep the line of cut in exact position, regardless of the angle of the bevel. The precision cutting system ensures precise cuts and saves setup time. The SP6000J has a bevel cutting capacity of 1 to 48 degrees, with positive stops at 22.5 and 45 degrees. Adding to the precision cutting capabilities is the quick depth stop feature. To achieve a precise cut, set the depth to 1/16 of an inch by activating the quick depth stop button. Well, this allows you to score the surface across the material. Then release the quick depth stop setting and make the final cut. The SP6000J can make a close to the wall cut of only 11/16 of an inch for expanding applications. At the heart of the system is the optional guide rail that accommodates the saw's base with zero play. The durable aluminum rails are available in 55 and 118-inch lengths for either cross-cut or rip cuts on a variety of sheet materials. The Makita guide rails also accommodate other saw brands. Along the end of the guide rail is a splinter guard strip that serves as an exact cut line. The replaceable non-slip scripts on the bottom of the guide rail will reduce shifting of the guide rail while cutting. For an increased grip, simply slide the optional clamps into the T-slots on the bottom of the guide rail, securing them against the workpiece. Once the guide rail is positioned on the line of cut, place the SP6000J onto the track. Then remove any play by adjusting the cams at the front and rear of the saw's base. This will help create a precise and splinter-free cut.